Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you about my project, that is vehicle servicing system, which I have developed using Spring Boot and React.js. So the technologies which I have used for the development of the projects are Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the front end, MySQL for the database, and I have used Maven for the project and the dependency management, and for styling purpose I have used Bootstrap 5. The softwares which I have used for the development of the projects are STS or Spring Tool Suite 4 for the backend, VS Code for the front end, and for the database management I have used MySQL Workbench. User modules present in the project. So the project basically contains three user modules. The very first one is administrator module, the second one is service center module, and the third one is customer module. So now let's see the functional modules present in the project. So the very first and the very important functional module is user authentication module. The second one is service category module. The third one is service module. The fourth one is service center module. The next one is service request module. And the last and the very important module is payment module. Apart from this, some more functionalities are also there that we will see in the later part of the video. But as of now, let's see the basic overview of the project. So as we know, our project contains three user modules. The very first one is administrator module, the second one is service center module, and the third one is customer module, right? So admin will register and log in into the system, and after the admin login, admin will be able to add multiple service categories into the system, right? There can be multiple categories such as car servicing, bike servicing, truck servicing, and many more, right? So admin will add the categories, and now service centers will be able to add their services from these categories only, right? So now from the home page, service center can also basically register himself, okay, and after the registration he can log in, and after the login he can add their services which they are providing, okay? So maybe they can provide like bike servicing, truck servicing, and car servicing, okay? So they will add all the services which they are providing basically, right? And each service center will be having the wallet. So whatever services they will provide to the customer, okay, the amount which customer will pay using the Razor Pay, okay, that will get credited into the wallet, okay? So yeah, so basically service center will be having the wallet also, okay? So now we know service center has added the services, right? So customer can also register themselves from the home page of our website, okay, and after the login they will be able to book the services, okay? After the login only customer can book any services, okay? So once the booking is done, okay, the service center will be able to see the complete request, okay, service request, basically the complete detail he will be able to see, like what is the appointment date and what is the selected time slot, okay, for the booking, okay? If it is okay, then they can proceed further. But let's suppose if service center wants to like close the appointment, so basically service center can close or cancel the appointment from his side also, and customer can also basically cancel the appointment. So now since customer's appointment is booked, okay, so he will visit to the garage, okay, in the appointment time, and now service center will basically service center and customer will basically decide, okay, what all things faults are there in the vehicle, and based on that they will prepare the job card, okay, like what all things they will perform, like tire change, okay, then brake change, oil change, okay? So complete thing basically service center will tell to the customer, and if customer is okay with it, then in that appointment, okay, in that booking only, basically service center will add the job card, okay? This job card service center will add, and now he will perform the servicing, and once the servicing is done, customer will pay the amount, okay, using the UPI mode or like debit card, credit card, okay, because we have integrated the Razor Pay payment gateway, okay? Now as soon as customer will pay the servicing amount, okay, 90%, okay, of that amount will go into the service center's wallet, and 10% will go to the admin's wallet, okay, because this is admin's portal, okay? He is providing this service to the service center and the customers, okay? Basically you can say admin is providing the service to the service center, okay? They are providing the platform, okay? So you can say like it is platform fee, okay? 10% from each servicing amount admin will get. Okay, and in the end admin will be able to see the complete detail about like category, service centers, customers, okay, then all the services, appointments, complete thing he will be able to see in his dashboard. Okay, so this was the basic overview of the project. There are multiple more things are also present. Okay, those things we will see in few minutes. Okay, but as of now, like I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects, and especially students can use this project for learning purpose. Okay, and also this project is really good for the resume, and students can refer this project to create their own projects also. Okay, so hit that subscribe button to motivate me to create more such type of project for you guys. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's see the complete project in detail, and for that let's go to the other end. So firstly, let's see our backend project. Okay, so this is our backend Spring Boot application, that is AutoCare Connect backend. Okay, so this is the name which I have given for my project, vehicle servicing system. Okay, so this is our backend Spring Boot application. We can see all the packages which I have created. Okay, so all the packages basically we can see under src main Java. Okay, like config controller. Okay, where we have created all our REST APIs. Okay, this is the DAO layer. Okay, repository layer. Okay, this is the DTO layer. Then we have entity layer. Okay, all these things will be like in the form of table in the database. Okay, then exception handling is also there. Then we have our JWT authentication, then interceptor. Then since we have integrated the payment gateway, reserve payment gateway, so we can like we have created all the classes, okay, which is required for that. Okay, then this is our service layer. Then we have utility package where we have kept all like helper methods. Okay, yeah, so yeah, we have src main Java, src main resources. Okay, also we have integrated log4j2. Okay, then this is our pom.xml file. As we know, like we have used Maven for the project and the dependency management. So yeah, so this was our backend project. Okay, and also in this controller package we have created all our REST APIs. Okay, if you see this category controller, we have created 4 APIs. In the service controller there are multiple REST APIs. Okay, and in the user controller also there are multiple APIs. Okay, and now let's see our front-end code. So for that I'll open the VS code. So this is our React.js application code. Okay, so we can see category component, navbar component, then service component. Okay, user components. Okay, yeah, complete thing is there here, and structure, project structure we can see here. Yeah, so this is one of the component view all services. Okay, now without wasting any time, let's execute our project. Okay, so firstly I'll run the backend project. Okay, so I'll go there and I'll right click on it, run as Spring Boot app. Now let our application run. So yeah, our application is starting, and we can see the project Spring Boot version 3.3.2, which is the latest version. Okay, and yeah, we can see our AutoCare Connect backend application is running, and on port Tomcat server on port 8080. Okay, so yeah, if our application is running fine, what I'll do, since we have configured the Swagger also, okay, what I'll do is I'll just copy this. I'll copy this and I'll open the browser. And hit the Swagger UI. And here we should be able to see all the API details which we have created in the backend. Okay, so in the user controller there are multiple APIs. Okay, by using this API we can register the customers and the service center. Then by using this we can log in. Okay, then we have category controllers. Okay, update, add. So basically CRUD operation is there, and in the service controller there are multiple APIs. Okay, yeah, so now I'll also run our front-end applications. For running the React.js application, we simply have to run the command npm start. And now let our React.js application also run. So we can see our React.js application is also running fine. So what I'll do is I'll open it. Since our application is running on port 3000, I'll open it, and yeah, we can see our application is running fine. And this will be the landing page of our application. Okay, so this is the slider, and from here in the navigation bar, firstly user will be able to see the register and the login option. So from here basically admin, service center and customers can log in. Okay, and here customer and service center can register from here. Okay, so register customer and the register service center. Okay, so we will see this thing, and here we have listed like customer will be able to see all the services, okay, which is added by the service centers. Okay, so yeah, and also we can search the services by using the category also, car servicing, truck servicing. Okay, and here we can open it. Okay, as a customer I can see the complete services. Okay, service detail basically, which is added by the service center. Okay, so this is the shop name, Firoj Automobiles. Okay, the category is truck, added time, then the minimum price is 3000 for the servicing, delivery time is 1 day, and this is the shop address. Okay, which is dummy actually. Okay, and the images which is added by the service center. Okay, that also will be visible to the all the customers. Okay, and here we have got option to take appointment. Okay, so as soon as I click on take appointment, so we will get this alert. Okay, please log in as customer to book an appointment. Okay, so we will log in as a customer in few minutes. Okay, so firstly I will log in as the admin here. Okay, but here the question will arise, like since we have not registered the admin till now, then how come we are able to log in? Okay, so here the thing is like when you will run your application for the very first time, okay, it will automatically like register. Okay, it will automatically register a default admin into our system. Okay, which we have written in our main Spring Boot application file. Okay, yeah, and definitely these are dummy email ID and the password. Okay, it's upon you, like whatever password and email ID you have to add here. Okay, so I'll add the email ID here. Okay, which I have configured here. Okay, and I'll log in with it. So from here we can add the category firstly. Okay, so as of now we have three categories: bike, car and truck. Now let's add one more category, that is demo category. Okay, I'll write here demo, add category, and category added, successful. And now view categories, and here we have got option to delete and update. Okay, so let's update it. Demo category, let me write here. All right, let me write here 3-wheeler. Okay, category updated, successful. And here we can see 3-wheeler. And also if you want to delete, okay, any service categories, then admin can delete the category also. Okay, so I'll click on delete here, 3-wheeler. Okay, so we can see it got disappeared from this page. And also if I go to the home page and if I see, like we can see that 3-wheeler is not visible here. Okay, so category part we have seen. Okay, how to add, update and delete it, right? Then after that we have services module. So admin will be able to see all the services which is added by all the service centers. Okay, so as of now we can see the shop name as Firoj Automobiles only. Okay, so there is only one service center who has added all the services. Okay, and the same thing is visible in the home page also, if you see. Okay, all the three services, right? And also we can delete the services from here. Okay, so as of now I'll click on delete button here. Okay, service deleted, successful. And we can see that particular service, okay, from the Firoj Automobile Service Center, it got deleted. And also in home page only 2 services are visible now. Okay, then we have, yeah, we have seen this also. Okay, like complete detail about the service name. Okay, description, shop name, then service center, expert, then category, delivery time, minimum price, okay, and the status. Okay, then after that we have appointments. Okay, so from here admin will be able to see all the appointments, okay, which is taken by the customer with the servicing status and the complete status. Okay, so in the appointments admin will be able to see like which customer has booked for this appointment and for which service center, okay, and what is the service name. Okay, so complete detail basically he will be able to see. This is the vehicle name, okay, vehicle registration number, which are dummy, okay, and issue description. Okay, so this was the issue description given by the customer during uh, the booking of the appointment. Okay, this was the appointment time, this is the status, booked and paid, the servicing status is done, okay, and the servicing total amount is 4,000 rupees, and also job card option is there. So admin will be able to see all the job card details also, like for this appointment these are the job card prepared by the service center expert. Okay, so basically complete detail we are able to see here in the appointment part, okay, as an admin. Now we have users module. Okay, so firstly admin will be able to see the profile. Okay, in the profile the very important thing is wallet amount. Okay, so this amount will be basically we will get like whenever customer will book any appointment and pay for the services, okay, to the service center, then at that time whatever amount the customer will pay to the service center, okay, so 10% will amount will get credited in the admin's wallet. Okay, so this will be the admin's earning, okay, because he is providing the platform to the service centers, okay, for their business. Okay, so this is one of the business for the admin to get the amount. Okay, now we have view customers. So from here admin will be able to see all the customers. Okay, then we have view service centers. So here also like complete detail about the service centers, okay, admin will be able to see like this is the service center expert. Okay, this is the shop name Firoj Automobiles, email ID, phone number, address, which are demo actually. Okay, and we can also delete the service center. Okay, so we know these two service are added by only one service center, that is Firoj Mobiles. Okay, let me open this. We can see shop name as Firoj Automobiles. Okay, so if I go to the view service centers, if I delete it, then this thing will get disappeared from here, and also all the services added by this service center will also get disappeared. Okay, now we have register admin. So from here we can register another admin also to handle the portal. Okay, so as of now I'll register one admin 100 at the rate gmail.com, which are dummy. Okay, these are not actual email and password. Okay, so yeah, I'll log out, and I will try to log in with the newly registered admin, that is admin 100. Okay, let me enter the correct password here. Logged in successful. So we have logged in with the newly registered admin also. Okay, so yeah, we have seen the complete functionalities which are present in the admin side. Now I'll log out as an admin and I will log in as a service center. Okay, so for that firstly I have to register as a service center. Okay, so from here we can register customer and the service center both. So firstly let's register the service center. Okay, so I'll give the name as here, okay, demo, or let me give as Rohit Kumar. Okay, shop name as Rohit Automobiles. Okay, and I'll give Rohit email ID. Okay, these things are dummy email ID. Okay, dummy contact number I'm adding here. Okay, demo street, demo city, and the pin code. Okay, So all these details, okay, about the address, then email, contact, those things are dummy only. I'll copy this email ID to register, sorry, login. Okay, so I'll just register the user registered successful, and now we can log in as a service center from here. Okay, I'll enter the correct password, login, and logged in successful. So as soon as I log in as a service center, I'll get multiple options in the navigation bar. The very first one is profile. Okay, so we can view the profiles. Okay, the shop name is Rohit Automobiles. First name, last name, email ID, contact, okay, address, complete thing we will able to see, and the wallet amount also we can see here. Okay, so whatever services this shop will provide to the customer, okay, so all the money will get collected in the this wallet. Okay, and we will see those wallet amount here in the profile. Okay, yeah, the next option is my services. So this Rohit Automobiles can add his services from here. Okay, so I'll add the Rohit bike service. I'll give the service name as Rohit bike service. Okay, then also I'll add the description. It's upon us. Okay, we can add the description or whatever we want to add, but as of now I'm just copy pasting this name and description. The category we will select as bike. The delivery time we will give only 1 day. Okay, minimum price I'll keep as 500. Okay, we can select the service images here. Okay, so I'll select it. Okay, image 1, then image 2, and the image 3. Okay, add service, and service added successful. Okay, and we can see Rohit bike service got added here, and now when customer will view this service, okay, all 3 images he will be able to see which are added by the service center. Rohit bike service, this is the service name, this is the description, this is the service center expert, that is Rohit Kumar, category bike. This is the delivery time, this is the shop address, which is dummy. The minimum price is 500 rupees for any servicing, and the shop name is Rohit Automobiles. Okay, so as a customer, when I click on take appointment, okay, from here we can do the take the appointment, but since we are not logged in as a customer, so we are getting this alert, please log in as a customer. Okay, so yeah, we have seen this. Now I'll click on view services. So from here we can also delete the my services because we have logged in as a service center. Okay, so same thing here also, we will be able to see the status is active. Okay, and now the next option is appointments. Okay, so when we click on the view appointments, okay, service centers will be able to see all the appointments which are requested, okay, or booked by the customer. Okay, but since now this service center is like newly registered, so that's why these are empty. Okay, this is empty, definitely it should be empty actually. So now we have seen the complete functionalities, okay, from the service centers point of view also. Now I'll log out and log in as a customer. Okay, so firstly I'll register the customer. Okay, so from here we can register the customer. So we will give the customer name as Sachin here. Okay, I'll give the email ID Sachin. I'll set the password. Now I'll enter the dummy contact number, then address and all. Okay, and after that I'll just copy this email and I'll register the customer, and from here I can log in as a customer. Okay, so I'll enter the email and the correct password and I'll click on login. Logged in successful, and as soon as I log in as a customer, in the navigation bar I can see two options. The very first one is appointments. So from here a customer can see all the appointments, okay, which he has booked for. Okay, but since we are newly registered customer, so definitely this will be empty. Okay, when we make any when we book any appointment, then definitely it will be visible here. Okay, now after that we have profile part, okay, which is very important. So in the my profile, customer will be able to see the complete detail about him. Okay, first name, last name, email, contact, and address, and the wallet amount also. Okay, But now, like when a customer will book for any service center, sorry, services, okay, definitely he have to pay for the servicing, his servicing, right? So amount should be present in his wallet actually, okay, because from his wallet only the customer will pay the amount, okay. So when I click on the wallet amount, so in the my wallet the wallet balance is 0, then how come I can do the pay for the servicing, okay. So definitely have to enter the amount in the wallet, right? So I'll enter 5,000 rupees in the wallet, okay. So now I'll click on the update wallet. Now since we have integrated Razorpay payment gateway, so we are getting this option, okay. So we have to enter the mobile number. So I'll enter the dummy uh, mobile number only, and click on continue, okay. So from here we will get multiple options like UPI, then cards, net banking, EMI, wallet, pay later, and more options are there here, okay. Yeah, complete thing is there, but from here I'll, as of now, I'll pay the amount by using the UPI. So this is the UPI ID by using which I'll pay the amount, okay. And the point to be noted here is like this is the test mode, okay. So our actual money will not get debited from the our account, okay. This is just for the testing purpose, okay. But definitely if you want to use it as a production use, okay, then we have to take the approval from the Razorpay, okay, and we have to register there by providing the documentation and all, okay. Proof we have to provide, and then Razorpay will approve our request, and then only like we can integrate the live mode, okay. uh, Basically we can go for the live mode then, okay. But as of now this is the test mode, so actual money will not get debited from our account, okay. And this is the testing data which is given by the Razorpay, okay. So now I'll click on verify and pay. So as soon as I click on the pay button, so it is processing now, confirming the payment, and the payment is successful, okay. AutoCare Connect 5,000 rupees, and it will redirect it in 2 seconds. And user wallet updated successful, and in the wallet balance it's 5,000 rupees now, okay. And now we can definitely request for the services, right? So I can take the appointment from here. So bike servicing, right? So I'll enter the vehicle name, demo bike I'll give here, and I'll give the name as registration number as demo 12345 6. This is my demo vehicle registration number, and the issue is issue in brake pad, okay, tire, okay, front tire. I'll write this, and also whatever things like are there we can add here, okay. All the issues we can describe here, okay. And then we can take the appointment also, okay. So we'll take the appointment for the 5th, okay, which is Saturday, okay. On 5th October we are taking the appointment, and the time slot I will select as 9 to 10 a.m, okay. Now I'll take the appointment, okay, and service appointment added successful. And now if I click on my appointments, okay, then definitely we can see the complete detail like a demo bike, okay. This is the vehicle name, and here he has booked for this service, okay, the Rohit bike service, which is from the shop name Rohit Automobiles, right? And it is booked, okay. The status is booked, and the servicing status is pending as of now, okay. And this is the appointment time, that is 9 to 10 a.m. This is the appointment time, okay, on 5th October, okay. And the job card also we can see here, but definitely this will be empty because this will be added by the service center expert, okay. And also if you want to close the this status, okay, if you want to cancel the appointment, then definitely we can click on close button, okay. Yeah, but as of now I want to show here one more very important thing, that now let's suppose if another customer also tries, okay. the appointment of the same date. Okay, the same date, that means 5th and the 9 to 10 a.m. right. I'll issue in break. Okay, so I'll take the appointment, and here we can see, oops, sorry, time slot not available. Okay, because in this range, okay, in this time slot on this date, the status is already booked. That means someone has already booked in this timing, right, and the servicing status is pending. Okay, so that's the reason it got rejected from the back end. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll log in with the service center. Okay, in the service center is definitely Rohit. Okay, because we have booked for Rohit's bike service, right? Logged in, and yeah, I'll go to the appointments, view appointments, and we can see here Sachin Kumar. Okay, he has booked for the appointment on this date in this timing. Okay, and he has booked for the service Rohit bike service, right? The status is booked here. Now let's suppose, since it is booked, customer will visit to the garage, right, in his service center. Okay, and he will ask for the servicing, right. So what will happen is, like, firstly service center expert will check his bike, and then after that he will prepare the job card, and he will discuss with the customer, and after the discussion he can prepare the job card. Okay, add service job card, so we can give, okay, like change oil. Okay, as of now I'll give the same description. I'll give amount as 500 rupees. Okay, added successful. Okay, and also I'll add change front and back tire. Okay, I'll give the same description again, and it will be around 2500. Okay, add job, and after that, so again, now if I click on view button, now the complete detail about the job card will be visible to the customer service center and also to the admin. Okay, now from here, service center can also update the servicing status, whether it is working or done. Okay, so as of now it is working, so I'll update this as working. Okay, so the servicing status is working. Okay, now let's suppose the complete servicing is done. Okay, so service center can basically mark it as done. Okay, the servicing is done from his side. Okay, and here, yeah, we have seen the complete functionality here. Okay, this is the job card, okay, which is prepared by the service center. And now here the very important thing to note is, in the service center's wallet, that is in the Rohit automobiles, in the wallet the amount is 0. Okay, and if you see here the job card, okay, the total amount is 3000 rupees. 500 plus 2500, it's 3000 rupees, which customer have to pay. Okay, because the servicing status is done. Okay, now since it is done, what I'll do is I'll log in as a customer. Okay, customer Sachin, logged in successful. What I'll do is, I'll go to the my appointments, and here I can clearly see servicing status is done. Okay, so there customer will log in, and now he will click on pay button. Okay, but before paying the amount, here we know in my wallet total 5000 is there, from which, like, we have to pay 3000 rupees. Okay, the servicing amount is 3000 rupees. Why? Because like 500 for the change oil change, and 2500 for front and the back tire change, right? So total 3000 I have to pay. Now I'll click on pay button. So servicing amount paid successful, and here the status got changed from booked to booked and paid. Okay, so the complete thing is done here. And now the thing to note is the wallet amount. Okay, so I'll click on the wallet amount, and previously it was 5000 rupees. So after deduction of 3000 for his servicing amount, the wallet balance is 2000 rupees. And now what I'll do is I'll log in as a service center here. Okay, that is Rohit automobiles, right? Now let's see his wallet. So he should be getting 90%. Okay, 90% from the total servicing amount. Okay, so if you calculate 90% of 3000 rupees, okay, then it will be 2700 rupees. Okay, and also I'll log out as a service center and log in as a admin. Login, okay, invalid. Okay, now logged in successful, and now here I'll go to the view profile, and here we can see the wallet amount got updated here. That means 10% of that amount got credited into the admin's wallet. Okay, and now also I'll view the appointments. So we can see Sachin Kumar's appointment here. Okay, issue was in brake pad and the front tire. Okay, booked and paid, and also admin can also view uh, the job card. Okay, change oil, change front and the back tire. Okay, so now I'll close it. So basically, like admin is able to see the complete detail. Okay, after the login. Okay, all services. So we can see Rohit bike service. Okay, which is added by Rohit Automobiles, and also if we see here total 3 services are there. Okay, so yeah, this was a complete overview of the project. So I hope you guys liked each and every functionalities which I have added in this project. Okay, students can use this project to create their own project, and also this project is good for the resume. So I would like to request you guys to please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it really takes lots of time and efforts for creating such type of projects. Okay, now we will meet soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.